There is good news for all those who are going to buy the Tata Nexon from Tata Motors. The Tata Nexon has become the first made in India, sold in India car to achieve Global NCAP's coveted 5-star crash test rating. As for another Indian car, the Marazzo from Mahindra, the MPV has achieved a 4-star safety result. These two results were the latest updates from Global NCAP of its Safer Cars for India campaign. The Tata Nexon had recently got a 4-star safety rating and now has become the first Indian car to be in the coveted 5-star club. The Tata Nexon scored 5 stars for adult occupant protection and 3 stars for child occupant protection. Following the Nexon's 4-star result earlier this year, Tata has improved a number of safety features, including making a seat belt reminder for driver and passenger a standard for all variants of the model. In addition, the Nexon was required to pass a side impact test meeting UN 95 side impact protection requirement. According to Global NCAP, this result is valid for all Nexon units produced from December 7, 2018 in India. Coming to the Mahindra and Mahindra's Marazzo with standard double airbags, ABS, SBR for driver and ISOFIX anchorages, the vehicle has reached 4 stars in adult occupant protection and 2 stars for child occupant protection. This Mahindra MPV offers good protection for both adult head and neck, marginal protection for driver chest and adequate protection for passenger chest. The pedals showed some risk for the lower legs due to their displacement. The 18-month-old child dummy received good protection, while the 3-year-old child passenger showed high readings in chest and head exposure. The result is valid for all Marazzo units produced as from November 16, 2018. It is now heartening to note that India has begun to make cars with great safety standards. David Ward, Global NCAP's Secretary General, said, "This is a huge landmark for car safety in India. Congratulations to Tata Motors for achieving India's first 5-star rating for adult occupant protection. Congratulations also to Mahindra for their first 4-star result. The Nexon was engineered in India, and this shows the huge capability of the domestic industry to achieve excellence in safety design and performance." With the Nexon, Tata has shown the global car industry that to achieve 5 stars you can make in India.